Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Time with Vasu. So what new are we gonna learn today? We are gonna learn verbs. What is verb? A verb is an action word or a doing word. A verb tells us what we are doing. So as you can see in the first picture, the boy is running. So the action word or the verb is run. In the second picture, the boy is playing football. So the action word is play. And in the third picture, the mother and the daughter are cooking a tasty meal. So cook is the action word. Now let's move on to some examples of verb. Raju sleeps on his bed. This is Raju and he's sleeping on his bed. So, what is the verb? The verb is sleeps, which is the action word. Now, my mother drinks tea in the evening. This is my mother and she is drinking tea because it's evening. So, what is the verb here? It is drinks, which is an action word. Now, Adi sings songs very well. This is Adi and he is singing a very nice song. So, what is the verb here? It is sings. Sings is an action word. Next, Maya reads storybooks. This is Maya and she is reading storybooks. So guess the verb here. The verb is reads. And reads is an action word. Raju and his father wash their car every day. This is Raju and this is his father. They are washing their car. So the wash is the action word. Now it's exercise time. Underline the words from the given sentences. Here are the sentences. You can try it by yourself. For now, I'll tell the answers. Emma watches cartoons every day. Emma, what she is doing? She is watching cartoons. So, watches is the verb. Milkman delivers milk every day. What the milkman is doing is delivering milk. So here delivers is the verb. I watch movies on Sunday. Here watch is the verb. Here go is the verb. Vasu enjoys playing cricket. Here enjoys is the verb. John likes basketball. Here likes is the verb. So you can understand that we can get the verb in a sentence by telling what the subject is doing. Isn't that simple? Like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and share it to your friends to increase their knowledge. Thank you. See you next time with new video.